brain don't know what it wants. The forecast is terrible. And I'm gonna find some sun to help dry and hold my hair. Right, I'm gonna do my eyebrows.
Excuse me, my car is not a table.
Is it not? Because it's functioning as one.
Ah! Got me there.
Hello and welcome to another weekly vlog. My name's Ebony if this is your first time here, and I just got done with my first round of work. In all technicality, not even technicality, the truth is I started driving last night at 10:30. It is now 8:50. I stopped at 8, but yeah, I'm home and it's time for me to take a nap. I'm really sorry. I felt like that was a very fragmented sentence, but I just wanted to check in the morning because I will be waking up in the afternoon. Absolutely. I'm gonna get me a few hours of sleep. I still need to finish editing the vlog from last week. And I'm driving in tonight. Wednesday we're gonna go home to attend a funeral of one of our church members, and then so far in the week, aside from working, that's all I got planned so far. So we will see, but yeah, like I said, I just wanted to say hello. I'm about to eat. You know the vibes. Orange juice gonna have me right. So yeah. Okay guys. I caught up on my sleep. It was good. I really think I had sometime around 7 hours. It's good. So on the accountability call, and I didn't sleep on the couch. I slept in the bed. It was some great sleep. But on the accountability call this morning, I said that I was gonna complete a portion of this. I already completed Make Real Estate Real, but the alumni course has more parts. So I said I was gonna complete one of those parts today by 5 p.m. I have 30 more minutes. Oh wow. And so I'm about to get on that, and then later I'll edit the vlog. Really, and this isn't okay, but I'm okay with this vlog not dropping until tomorrow, because last week I recorded a lot. Like, the edits are around 5 hours right now, and it started with like 7 hours, and I really think I only got to Wednesday, so I need to hurry up and let that go. Not let that go, but I'm gonna drive again tonight because they have a lot of streets going on, and they don't have any more for the rest of the weekdays, so they're showing me. So why not, right? And then the rest of the weekday, when I'm not getting as good as can you tell I'm still asleep? Or can you tell I just woke up? But I'm telling myself I should drive today while they have offers, and then the rest of the week while they don't have offers. I mean, I'll still drive, but I don't have to do it as much, or it wouldn't make sense to dedicate as much time to it, especially if I do overtime with this. Like this morning, I really shouldn't even count it because it more so went towards last week's goal. I started last night, but this morning I finished at like 8 and I had made 200 from the bonuses and stuff. Now mind you, the bonuses and whatnot were like an extra $20. No, that's wrong. They were like an extra $39. And one of my riders this morning, that's so unfortunate, it was like 5 a.m. and her tires blew out on her as she was getting off an exit. And it wasn't one of those where on the ground exits. It was one of those exits that was like at the top of the spaghetti junction. So I'm really, really glad she was able to safely come to a stop with that happening. But I spent like 15 to 20 minutes looking for her because the GPS was just wrong. It was just wrong. And by the time I got to her, it told me that I was 10 minutes away from her. I'm like, bro, playing these games. But I stayed in communication with her the whole time I was trying to find her, and she only had a 5-minute ride, and I was like, dang, that's not worth this. But I stuck with it, and she tipped me well at the end, so that contributed to the extra monies. Me no. Oh shoot, really made like $240. And I also noticed that when I'm driving, it'll tell me to catch. It may or may not give me something appetizing, but when I'm driving and I'm like about to stop is when it'll send me more streaks. Like right now it's only showing through midnight, but if it's anything like yesterday, once we get past midnight, it'll be like ride bonuses from 1 to tier 1, from 3 to 4. And if they tell me that, I will stay out because I like driving mornings anyway. I figure out what I want to eat. But I don't think that just a smoothie's gonna suffice. It's almost 5 too. Okay, made.
You like me at first.
This video is 85 minutes. So I won't finish it, but I can go ahead and start it. This right here, me minding my business and having it rolling, is why I had 7 hours last week. And I wasn't quiet during all of them. There were like conversations and whatnot. So it's just like, Alright, so I've eaten. The video that I opened up to watch has already been watched in the other program. So I made it a good way through that. How much do I have left? I made it that far through. And what I said was gonna happen happened. Liv sent me a text message saying, oh, streaks at 1 and at 3. So what I'm thinking is I actually might catch another nap and get up at 8. No, I need to get up before 8. I need to get up at 7 or 7:30, start driving before 7:40. That way I have time to catch the streak before 8, and then drive through the night like I did tonight. But I'll stop at like 6. I'll stop at like 6 instead of 8. And should I have the energy, I'd like to go to the mountain because when I come back, I'm gonna wash my hair. I ran to the beauty supply store and bought products for a retwist. So yeah, wash my hair and edit. And if I feel like it, I might go back out that night and do some more driving. I just know that I want my locks freshened up for the service on Wednesday. I know that I'll be driving. The service is at 1 p.m. I'm gonna be driving Wednesday morning. Do not think I'm gonna do the whole find rides on the way down thing. I might do it on the way up, on the way back, that is. But that's what I was gonna say. Yeah, while I was eating, they sent me 2 more street times. So this is somewhat what it was last night. Like, there was money for, what time did I start? Last night I started at 10:30. 42. That's $60 on top of whatever my rides make me, and I think it's worth it. I do. I went and looked up how much it's gonna be to establish my entity, and I'll probably go ahead and get that started tomorrow. I really want it done by the end of this week, so I'll probably get it started tomorrow. The person I was referred to isn't responding, so I will be using other people. And this is interesting. This is nice. Like, I like that I took the time to invest in this knowledge, and that things are making sense to me, and that I'm proceeding forward. I love that. I love that for me. When I tell you this rain don't know what it wants. The forecast is terrible. Y'all saw, actually that might have been last week, I showed that it literally said rain all day, every day. Now it says today's just cloudy, tomorrow's just cloudy, and then it says rain for the next 7 days. I'm like, bruh, pick a side, okay? Ugh. Ooh, this is nifty. Weather gives, the weather app on Apple gives you a lot of information. It says that Georgia, or where I'm at now, is like an average of 81. Bro, do you see Cali and them over there? Y'all are on fire. Like, I'm not. How hot is it in Las Vegas? Stop playing with me. Alright guys, good morning. I woke up maybe like 10-15 minutes ago. It's 11:33 a.m. I got back in this morning around 5:40, something like that, and I had no energy to go to the mountain. Like, as I was driving, I was like, bro, that's not gonna happen. And I'm over here editing, right? I need me to do something. I wanted to go to the mountain, not so much just to climb the mountain, but more so that I could get a good sweat going before I wash my hair, and I wouldn't like feel as bad after I was done retwisting it, because like I don't have I'm not doing 2 strands this time. I'm gonna just retwist it and leave my locks out. So if I like work out soon within retwisting it, my roots are kind of gonna unravel. That's why I wanted to get a good workout in before I did them. And it's not even noon yet, so I guess it's still possible. But yeah, I'm editing this video and I'm hungry. I want an all-star. Oof. Okay. Alright, y'all, so it's later in the day. It's 4:46. I just finished with washing and retwisting my hair, and since I'm gonna ride home tomorrow, I'm going to go ahead and get my car washed and cleaned right now because it looks atrocious. Do I want to take something though? I still haven't done those thumbnails. I feel weird. I have no tint on these windows, right? And they hand wash the cars here. They hand wash the cars here, so I feel like it's so weird being seen, but we're not about to have a conversation, if you feel what I'm saying. But cool. Okay. Now I'm about to hop out, let them do the inside, and I'm gonna find some sun to help dry and hold my hair since I don't have a blow dryer up here. Y'all, I just dropped my camera. I'd be so scared. Okay, let us walk. And for those who may have never seen where I come for the car wash, it's hand car wash off of North Lake and La Vista by the Shell. Def worth it. There's a man chilling out over there, so I'm gonna make sure I don't walk that way. Okay, so I decided to come and get some chips and wine, and if I can find some, my car freshener that they don't seem to be selling like that no more. So hopefully I can find everything. And really I just came for chips, but as I was getting out I convinced myself that I was gonna get wine too. And I didn't lotion after I took my shower. So I'm not like looking that bad, but it's not good. I put hand sanitizer on because my hands were ashy. I put hand sanitizer on my hands and a little bit on my knees. And it helped. It lotioned it up. Took away the ash. Let's see. But okay, let's do this. Snack secured. Oh shoot, I'm gonna walk soon. But I got the snacks. I wasn't supposed to get any sweets, but I got a little container of chocolate covered almonds. Where'd I park at? Okay. I got a thing of chocolate covered almonds, but I'm gonna do my best not to eat it. Mama wants me to see the difference in my skin without sweets, and I've probably been about a week already. She told me to go at least 2 weeks, preferably 3. So yeah, I'm gonna try not to eat it, but hola, happy Wednesday. I just got home from my first round of driving. It's like 9:30. I am kind of trying to hurry because I still need to go down to Warner Robins today. I'll have that. Ooh, ooh. I just seen some other earrings. Sorry, I'm trying to get together what I'm wearing to the service today. I'm only going down for the service and I'll be coming back up. I'm almost at my goal for what I need to give back to Mama, and then I won't be far from what I need to get my entity registration started. Right? Okay. I'm gonna take this. Dang, I should have brought that bag. Take my phone. I'm gonna wash my face before I leave. But let's go ahead and get all this stuff together. But anyway, this morning I started driving. What time did I start? I started at like 4:30. My smoothie was good. And my stomach is back to E. So I made me some oatmeal. This stuff looks really cute. Anyway. But yeah, I'll pull y'all out later. As you can see, we made it. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready because we're trying to head out in like 30 minutes. I got here maybe 5 minutes ago. I saw him by the storage unit. Yeah, okay. So I showed you the shoes, or I said the shoes that I wanted to get, right? Why'd I leave them? I brought everything but the shoes. And I was like, bro, I don't want to wear the other shoes I have, but the dress I want to wear. I get to the storage unit, I can't find the dress I want to wear. So I'm like, bro. So I had to pick a whole nother dress. I have a whole nother shoes. I just had an outfit that I didn't plan on wearing. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, get my makeup right. I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. My face is dewy. It's a little better. I feel like I have a bad habit of doing my makeup too dark. It's not like bad, but it's still like a tad bit too dark. But we're back from the services. This is the dress I wore, but I had a shawl over myself because I didn't plan on having this dress on, and I couldn't find the one I was looking for. But I'm about to eat. Mama got me a salad from Wendy's and Parmesan crisps. Interesting. Okay, a little Caesar salad, Wendy's. But yeah, I'm trying to get in contact with my grandmama, call her one more time and see if I can swing by her for a few minutes just to catch up and so she could see me. And I have a credit review appointment in a few minutes, and we're gonna see what I need to do specifically and how it looks for me as far as getting properties. So excited. And then I'm going back today, not even tonight, so I probably want to make sure I leave here by 4. And by here I mean Warner Robins, or if I'm in Fort Valley. I want to leave by 4. And I'm trying to think. I wanted to drive a little tonight, but I also want to drive tomorrow morning. And being that I woke up at 4 a.m. today, I don't think it'd be wise to try and do both. But I haven't like decided what I want to do yet. So I'm about to eat and just wait. Go ahead and have this credit meeting, and then prayerfully, hate when the light is behind me. That's the downside about this room. It's a big angle. But prayerfully, I'll be able to get in touch with Grandma before I leave and swing by and say hello. Alright y'all, so I'm back in Atlanta. It is 7:16. Like I said earlier, I hadn't figured out the driving schedule, but the thing is, well, I need to just go ahead and go to sleep. And this is how I take off my mascara. I use Vaseline. I already washed my face, and so I'm just rubbing the Vaseline on top and bottom of my lashes. And then I have this damp paper towel. How's that? They feel good. Let's see. Let's do a little more. This is what's come off so far from my lashes. I'm done.
Give me the name of the shop teacher.
That's hilarious.
Had black hair pulled back, had a little rubber band ponytail. Y'all remember my man? Make sure you get it.
Is there a difference? Can you tell? I probably should have done one eye then the other eye, but we're here. So battery's dying, but the makeup is what? Y'all, it is Thursday, like 4:20 p.m. Yesterday when I got home, I took an hour-and-a-half nap, and I woke up to drive. So I started driving around like 10, and I stopped this morning around 4:30 a.m. Came home, knocked out. Then I woke up for maybe 10-15 minutes, and I was like, nah. I want more sleep. And then I woke up officially maybe like, actually, let's see. I don't want to lie. I've actually been up for a couple hours. I woke up around 2:10, something like that. But when I say this sleep felt great, excuse the underarms, this is an old dress, but yeah. And I want Waffle House. I specifically want grits, eggs, and bacon. I have eggs, I don't have grits and bacon, but I want that. I want it. And I called the store. I'm not going over there and placing the order. I'll go over there to pick it up, but I'm not going to place the order. So, so I'm gonna give it another try because I really want it. All I have here is sweet things like my smoothie, my oatmeal. Those are sweet. I want something salty. So I can give them a call. And this, let's see. So if you'll see, I have like little wee tiny bumps around my lips, right? So I was messing with one of these on this side, and that's how this came to be. And I keep messing with it because it doesn't feel right, but also it doesn't feel right because I was messing with it in the first place, you know. I need to do better, but I also need this to come off. Okay, I got the part off that was bothering me. Anyway, I'm gonna try Waffle House again because I called once and they did not pick up. Try again.
Thank you for calling your local Waffle House. As a courtesy to our dining guests, we are limiting our to-go orders and are unable to answer the phone at this time. If you would like to dine in with us in person.
My thing is, I know that Waffle House is empty. I know it's empty. 1, it's 4:30 p.m. 2, it's off of La Vista. Stop playing with me. Ain't nobody over here. We are not downtown, okay? We're not even midtown. And what's really upsetting me is I feel like I'm gonna go. Alright, y'all, it's later. I still haven't posted the vlog from last week, but I did get done editing it. It started off with like 5 hours 30 minutes. I got it down to 1.5 hours, so last week's gonna be a little long, but we had some good times in there. And so I told myself, caught myself, I was like, okay, we're gonna save some money. I bought 3 pot pies last week. I remember eating 2. Let's go ahead and knock out the 3rd one. Preheated the oven, all that jazz. I'm like, I'm not gonna be buying out food tonight. And so I go to put the pot pie in the oven and there's no pot pie. I'm like, I ate all 3. So now what I gotta do? Go to Waffle House. I don't have to, but that's what's gonna happen. Yeah. I could go to Kroger and get some more pot pies, but that also feels like a task for tomorrow. I don't know. I don't make sense all the time. I mean, I make sense to me, but to other people, you know. I'm a fool. This is the 2nd time. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway, so I'm over here scrolling what I don't need to be doing. I need to be catching this nap, but anyway, this girl straight up killed Cinderella off of Cheetah Girls. So we're finna sing it. We finna sing it, okay? I can slay my own dragons. I can dream my own dream. The night is shining over. It's me. So I'm gonna set me free. Cold dusty soul waiting for somebody to come and set me free. I wanna be like someone waiting for him to rescue, come and save me. Oh no, what's so bad? I'd rather rescue myself. She did that. She did that. Oh my god. Yo, I'm aggravated. So it is 7:46. I just got back home from driving. I started driving last night around midnight. I made back the money I owed mama, sent it to her. And then I got an email for this month's rent, which is 3 times what it's supposed to be. And then in the apartment complex, I was in an accident. She turned the corner, dipped into my lane, and yeah. Furthermore, we exchanged information, but we didn't call the police and get a statement. So all I can do now is pray that she's honest. And I can't tell you why I didn't get a statement. And not like I know, and I can't tell you, like genuinely, I can't tell you why it didn't cross my mind to call the cops. Like, I was just like, bro, oh my gosh. I was ready to go sleep, tired, frustrated from this conversation I'm finna have in the leasing office when I wake up. And then we airdrop the information to each other. So we have each other's information. We have each other's license plate. But we don't have each other's numbers. I know her name. That is 3 accidents in 1 year. And even if it wasn't my fault, that's 3 accidents in 1 year. And the thing is, it wouldn't make sense for her not to report it. Honestly, well, let me just say straight up, I was not at fault. However, I didn't get a statement. There are no cameras on this property. There were no witnesses. But she has an Audi. It was a nice Audi too. So I don't know. I don't see a reason why she wouldn't report it. You know what I'm saying? And the damage to my car is like minimal. Like, my paint is on her car and her paint is on my car. But her back door hit a corner of mine, which honestly probably helps with the physics, because I was going straight. I hadn't even started to turn yet, and the dent is in her back door. And if I'm making a right turn, yeah, that's not a feasible accident for me to have hit her, because I'd have had to be going straight, and there's no way to go straight. You have to go right. I'm assuming she was on the phone with her boyfriend at the time, because dude came out and was walking around. I should have I should have called the police. Hello? Hello?
Okay. I think you need to call the police and file a report, because whoever was in the accident with you, they're gonna end up filing a report. They probably gonna have to get the insurance to pay for whatever happened. And I don't want them to be able to, you don't want them to be able to say something without your statement being on file.
Okay.
But you need to have a statement somewhere.
Okay. No sleep for Ebbs. Got it. What's up? Today's Saturday. It is Saturday evening, 6. After yesterday morning, I did not do what I was supposed to do, which I was gonna go out and drive again at that night, but just after Mama told me to call, I went and I did like the review with the officer, called her insurance, you know, did that stuff, and then I told my dad about it, and I went to sleep because I hadn't been to sleep since the day before. And then my dad called me while I was sleeping. He was like, what happened again? And I was like, she came into my lane making her left turn and I couldn't stop in time. And then he was like, oh, she came in your lane. And I was like, yeah. Then he was like, cause she's saying that you hit her, da da da. And I'm like, so lawyer stuff happened after that, and my mood, I shouldn't have let it, but my mood really stopped me from being great, because if it hadn't, I would have driven last night and this morning and I would have like $300 extra. But instead I sat here all day. Am I upset with myself? Yes, I am. But Brittany and I are gonna go out to eat, and then I'm pretty sure she said a drag show. Yeah, we're gonna go to a drag show after we eat. So I think that'll be fun. Hopefully it'll boost my spirits. And even if it doesn't, excuse me, even if it doesn't, I'm gonna get back to what it's supposed to be tomorrow, because this week I did really good. Like, this week I did really good. I had potential to exceed my goal by a couple hundred had I driven again yesterday and drove today, but you know, so I'm gonna get ready soon. I still need to go ahead and start now. We're gonna try and be there at 8, and I asked the hostess if they thought there would be like open tables for 8 p.m. and she was like, yeah, but keep in mind, you know, it is Saturday, so it's possible that it could be busy. And then with that context, I asked her, what if I come like 30 minutes early? Do you think we'd be able to get seated by 8? And then she was like, yeah, there's a good possibility. Even though they have reservations, they usually leave a few tables unreserved for walk-ins. So I want to be the on-time friend today. So I need to get ready.
Promise everything gon' be alright. All the trees high up, baby, leave it so high your feet won't touch the ground. Would you look up, baby? It's pineapple purple skies. Promise everything gon' be alright. Yeah, promise everything gon' be alright. Trust everything gon' be alright. No storm cloud. So everything gon' be alright, baby. Babe, been telling you for the longest time. Everything gon' be alright. Got you kissing on the sun, how you do it like that, babe? Night so bright, how you do it like that, babe? Yeah. I ain't kissed you yet. I ain't kissing you. Everything I do, I'll be wishing you backslide, you and your baseline, babe. Oh, I wanna know, yeah. Gonna wanna show you, oh baby, everything gon' be alright. Is the breeze strong enough, baby? Leave it so high your feet won't touch the ground. And would you look up, baby? Spread apple purple skies, promise everything. Don't forget to hold on tight, yeah. While we Stevie Wonder through the night. Now tomorrow seems so bright, yeah, yeah. Don't look down, we're still up. Something like the thrill of dancing on the sun. How you do it like that? Night so bright, how you do it like that, baby? I ain't kissed you yet, I ain't kissed you. Everything I do, I'll be wishing you backside.
Yeah, it was like the lighting was banding. It was like strips going across it. And it does that at home. But I peeped earlier when I was recording the food that there's an adjustment to where it stops. And that's interesting.
It's your favorite noodle.
Oh, I was supposed to take this shot. This is hot. Cheers. One more time. You must eat the whole. I want to be around more black men that compliment so nice. At least we go around. On the pictures, that's all. Oh, it was his birthday. Okay. Paul? I heard Paul. Oh, you're one of those.
I'm not. I mean, it's never happened to me at the end of it.
Should it ever happen to me?
I saw one where this girl, I guess she had, and she said,
Okay. And she should defend herself.
I thought it was crazy.
If I was you, I'd take precaution.
I'm like, oh, let me go home.
Yo, please don't. I'm gonna pull up. Oh, don't do that. Told you he don't need but he gonna beatbox. Hey. Okay. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad. Not mad.
Excuse me, my car is not a table.
Is it not? Because it's functioning as one.
Got me there.
Skelly bust down, long way from them G-shots. Your babe is a freak guy.
No wall, sheet rock.
Told you he don't eat, but to this pussy he gon' beatbox. Oh God, this shit just too motherfucking
No,
easy.
it's actually a vibe.
Beat like a beat, mighty beat.
They present Alabama TP. Antoinette. You know, I'm from a different generation than all of you. Harry Truman was in office when I was born, so calculate that way. You know, I had been saying this because I had a young man.
each other very much into a special humor, which can feel real nice. Sticking on the sides of a man's hands to essentially wrap around your neck. During this special hold, the man places his pee-pee inside the woman's skin.
This my shit.
Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think of the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one ever hold?
One thing in my box, I got 20.
No big deal. I want more.
We're missing Burgundy.
Oh yeah!
It's rude.
Okay, Ursula.
Now, then, you're here because you have a thing for this human, this trade style. Now, I blame you. He is quite a cur. My dear sweet child.
That's what I do. That's what I live for.
To help unfortunate merfolk
Like yourself.
souls with no one else to turn to.
All the girls on the back, packing in my